Welcome to day 3 of Object-Oriented Programming series. Today we will learn about the 4 pillars of Object-Oriented Programming that are Encapsulation, Inheritance, Polymorphism and Abstraction. Encapsulation. Think of a capsule with medicine inside. It hides the details and only let you take what is needed. In Java, we do this using private fields and public methods. Inheritance. Imagine a parent-child relationship. A child inherits properties from parents, just like one class can inherit from another class. Polymorphism. It is like a person who can be a student, a coder, or a gamer. Same person behaves differently in different situations. In Java, this is achieved using method overriding and method overloading. Abstraction. Picture driving a car. You know how to drive it, but you don't need to know how the engine works. Java uses abstract classes and interfaces to hide complex details. That's it about the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming.